U.S. rolls out COVID vaccine for Tots. Washington. The U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention on Saturday advocated COVID-19 vaccines for youngsters as younger as 6 months, allowing a nationwide rollout to start subsequent week. The CDC's pass came after a panel of advisors to the institution voted earlier on Saturday to propose COVID-19 vaccines for those youngsters. "We understand millions of dad and mom and caregivers are eager to get their younger children vaccinated, and with trendy selection, they can," stated Rochelle Walensky, the CDC director, in a statement. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration on Friday authorized Moderna, Nasdaq, mRNA, Inc.'s shot for youngsters aged 6 months to 5 years, and Pfizer-BioNTech's vaccine for children aged 6 months to 4 years. Pfizer NYSE, PFE's vaccine is already legal for youngsters over the age of 5. "This contamination kills children and we've got an possibility to save you that," Beth Bell, one of the medical doctors at the advisory panel, stated following the vote. "Here is an opportunity to prevent a recognized risk," Education Secretary Miguel Cardona said in a declaration. The flow become a historical milestone. President Joe Biden's management plans to roll out the vaccines to the under 5 age agencies as early as next week. This coming week, dad and mom could be capable of begin scheduling appointments at places like pediatricians' places of work, children's hospitals, and pharmacies, Biden stated in an announcement on Saturday. Appointments will ramp up as more doses are shipped out, and in the coming weeks, each figure who needs a vaccine could be capable of get one. As the vaccination program ramps up, vaccines.gov could be stay next week with vaccine availability and appointments increasing all through the week. While many mother and father inside the United States are eager to vaccinate their children, it's miles doubtful how robust call for might be for the photographs. The Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine become authorized for youngsters aged 5 to 11 in October, however most effective about 29% of that institution is so far fully vaccinated, federal data suggests. CVS Health Corp. NYSE, CVS plans to provide vaccines to youngsters elderly 18 months and older whilst Rite Aid NYSE, RAD Corp. and Walmart NYSE, WMT Inc. plan to offer these shots for children who are at least 3 years antique. Infants are historically vaccinated at a medical doctor's workplace. Public fitness officials have been pushing for early life vaccinations beforehand of the new school 12 months as they wish pictures for the age organization will help prevent hospitalizations and deaths if COVID-19 cases rise once more. COVID-19 is usually greater mild in children. Still, because March 2020 it's been the 5th leading cause of deaths in children elderly 14 and the 4th main motive of dying in children more youthful than 1, in keeping with the CDC. The CDC advisors will meet once more next week to bear in mind whether to return use of the Moderna vaccine for youngsters and teens aged 617. There has been some situation approximately the fee of rare instances of heart inflammation in teenage boys and young guys from the Moderna vaccine, and the advisors are predicted to do not forget that statistics. Additional reporting by using Leroy Leo, Manas and Javer Singh Shekhawat in Bengaluru, editing with the aid of Paul C. Mao, Franklin Paul and Daniel Wallace.